How to find games settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find game settings on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then just click these three lines here in the top corner and go down until you find settings and privacy. Click on it and then click settings, and now just go down until you find this permissions category and you will find games. Click on it, and as you see here here you can find game settings and manage it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.